Every month, families spend thousands on bottled water, worried if it's really safe, frustrated by the rising costs, and adding more plastic waste to the environment. And when water supply gets interrupted or disasters hit, clean drinking water becomes a real world concern for your home. Introducing the Rainwash Harvest Kit, rainwater system that captures and filters rain into guaranteed potable water. For just 15,000 pesos, you get water independence, zero plastic waste, and long-term savings from never buying bottled water again. It's easy to install, low maintenance, and designed to protect your family's health every single day.